evening, ladies and gentlemen. Standing in front of you is a fresh, 40 years old designer, hailing all the way from the home of the bee, Barangay Bagong Bayan. My name is Francie West, na nagsasabi, ako man po ang pinakabatang ng gabi, noon yung mama niyo. Dahil si ganito ang pati pa lang, may virgin na tatatap. Thank you!
Good evening, future everyone. A beauty without a brain is like a pearl without a shell. A fish without a fin is like a diamond without a soul. For that, what is beauty if your brain is empty? Healing all the way from the most outstanding we're ever into, and the whole of the brave. This is Angel to Review 21, representing from Barangay Bagong Bayan, City of Ilagan. Ang talong, pampatid ang mata. Thank you!
Hi! Hello! Mabuhay mga rappers! Standing in front of you is Rian Manuel, freshly 18 years old, all the way from Lugao, City of Ilagan, Isabela. Na nagsasabi, ang lalaking hindi marunong tumingin sa manangalingan, malamang nakatingin sa aking kagandahan. The real essence of this beauty pageant is showing respect, love, and acceptance to each and everyone. I am not beautiful, and I don't have a body beautiful. But my memory, nothing is impossible if you believe it's achievable. My name is Marie Villar-Sete, a grade 12 student at Sabana National High School, representing Barangay Center San Antonio, City of Ilagan, Isabela.
Ganda ng kulay ng buhok mo. Bagay sa'yo.
Many has been part of history, but only few can back history. And tonight, this competition, I'm expecting the whole public to see based on history itself. And that is our story. My name is Gerald Van Renarde. I graduated at Sabana University, Ilagan campus with a degree of Bachelor of Science in Information Technology. And proudly represent kung saan walang away, walang dugo, walang subal, walang lasinggero, Bacolod!
Everyone, it's time to get it's so fresh and indeed 18-year-old daughter, all the way from the National Festival of San Antonio region, San Miguel, Sierra Cuatro, City of Ilagan, province of Isabela. My name is Sandra Rizan. Nagmula po sa lagpas, lumastap sa kalumaan, Maraming salamat po.
Good evening to each and everyone. Standing before you is a fresh virgin. A 20 years old scholar taking a Bachelor of Science in Development Communication at Isabela State University in the Bayan campus. I am Chloe J. Kulat, na nagmula pa sa #1 tourist spot here in Isabela, Abuan River, Camiseras City of Ilagan, Isabela. Bago ko isahin ang 4 na sulot na itablado na ito, nais ko na pag-iwan ng isang paalala. Kuya driver, huwag kong gawin sa iba ang ginawa natin karating. And
what you are and to be capable of what you are becoming. Your actions become your voice become your personality, and your personality defines you. fashion designers. And I do believe in saying that it is not the crown who makes the queen, it is the queen who makes the crown. Thank you.
My heels are getting broken while I'm dancing, but I always believe that the show must go on. I am not here to represent the prettiest girl in the room, nor the sexiest person on the stage, but I am here just to represent the beauty in all sizes, in all forms, in all shapes, and in all gender. Because in this 21st century, chubby is the new sexy. This is Queen Sasha Sandoval, your recently crowned Miss Gay Asia 2023 na nag-iiwan ng mga taga. Pag ang lalaki umihi, nakatayo umihi, pagkatapos umihi, papagpagin ng paunti. Pag ang babae umihi, nakatupo umihi, pagkatapos umihi, kikiligin ng kaunti. Pag ang tomboy naman umihi, nakatayo kunwari, pagkatapos umihi, pupunasan ang binti. At ang bakla naman umihi, nakaupo kunwari, pagkatapos umihi, ibabalik sa pagkatali. This is your candidate number 9 saying good evening and enjoy the rest of the show. Thank you. This is your Queen Kyrie Jarius Biog na nagsasabing ang babaeng bawal mo hawakan, baka di mo mabitawan. Ang babaeng bawal mong titigan, baka di mo mapigilan. Inosente sa paningin, maladyak sa aluti. Bago po po tayo nakapag ng sulog ng pagdadang ito, nais ko po muna mangiwan ng sa